ngeri utagete babwate chi machine abu nabono chi power so chi blower chi sakila so babwate chi helmet naboigo ebikoro tubiri by'uburendi gose safety shoes asa mange bakiresimi ase namba 0717603007904844 incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintu biga aserigulirigiya. Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Right, mwancho muriano mugorobo muyari tukeriga ria Jumanne tariki 24 cy'umutinyiga Ikomi na rimwe umwaka wiga na manga ntikwaniki gwa kurase county ito ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wike county ya Nairobi chinga kibogo mu ambassador bwense ya China gocha aiga Kenya niganya kuboikerana ase county ya Kisii mnenchiremo yuguchia koligia okubwaterana rikwaniki nga NCA ya Kenya gose county ya Kisii yabirige ukinia obwa matobuya anamono gocha senselia ya China. Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba nkuru kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sensemelia ye manyirio niga kuru kwa Wilson Makori. Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ni goto chakurwa ase county ya Kisii nigo ea matemo kubatkana amono butakabure ase nkeyo ase county ya Kisii babiru bagwesokina otemna nirbuya abaraigwesokimna nchiremo yuko bakonya kubatkana amo nakiliba otemna ni government ase nyumba y'obunyansi nabo igonige nyumba yo egotwaime egento babire bagwetira amakongu niko bagenda kuboria anamona barai nabo igwa serikali county ya Kisii kwanekingo chiriko bakonya banyora sagaya bakomnyamne nchiremo yo konekinga nabaru babire bakwegenderia kubatkana amono butakabura ase nkei
rigotu ndori korara maje toko kucha bukya nyumba
ejirani ya omusubati Sara nabwate mechando ele aso muchioe number 1 tabwati nyumba abwate igo egotua na endere yo bunyansi nane kare mbule egotua amache gago ichora nyumba
nane thanda mbugu atikendi jo simbabu ati nane birugo mbiri nyumba kare kama nise tomenye
nabwata abana around abata abana 7 na abana aba omusubati oyo akogenda ekibarua 200 rituko na abana abo moigwete na abange takonyara go support bana abo no na mangana clothing amangana yendagera ayingo moberara amakongwake ka musubati otamaiti asomo gako ya chiete gochi bono ekomobera kongu it is very
ande moise koligereria abana ba mindombaro abandi bagoika batige skuru bande baisire gutwara imyaka 10 batarachaka na school bakoremeru chibeso che school fees bokongu bwabire boko especially asaba iseke bande bagotige skuru so ya sanitary towels matukande na ratiganda ende kondo nyimba 200 baraenda barago abarai banyare ko mokonya kiagera nonye mno mu MCA wimeref
Mwachimura chinga kiaganda tkwandiki gwa kurwa senseme yori tkolia rero ni gomo ambassador bwense ya China gocha iga Kenya nyakobokirana ase county ya Kisii abosanya kobokwarigani muno mugavana wi county igo Muskepol Simba Arati okwana chinga kicho nigo Muskarati abirga otemna nigo abegete miroblisene yakwana kengo chibari gotinya obwa matobuye egati ye county ya Kisii na bogense ya China abwaso ambassador yubo igo anyakoboko okera etaro yana gotemna nigo barachunya akabakubwaterana erigo kinya Chinsemo egati abakwana kinga babiro kinya ensemelia yebigwanda kurwa ase county ya Kisii anamona sensemelia ya tabako kuiguywa kwa magena amororo chigware rekwana king county ya Kisii yaberke ukina
than even the developing world as it were. I got an opportunity to take my MCAs to China, the 50 of them, and they saw for themselves what we are talking about. would want. When I was campaigning, I was like, even if we had a small China in Kisii, it will turn the fortunes that we have in this country. And we're looking forward with partnership that now we have established to see we can cooperate with the Chinese government. You're welcome to Kisii. When you're around, Kisii is the most peaceful place.
In Kenya for some time, but it's my first time here. We drove past by Kisii yesterday, and all of my colleagues thought this is something very big thing. And actually, we sense the friendship and the business opportunity here in this great country. And the governor just shared with you, we discussed on the sub-national exchange and cooperation. We explored the possibility of cooperation in the health sector, the agro-processing, particularly the famous, I'm so impressed by the banana products in this country. And the soap stores has very good material for artifacts and many other areas. China is committed to deepen its friendship and cooperation with Kenya. And we wish the sub-national entities can play a bigger role in it. So that is the purpose of my visit here today in this beautiful country. And I really appreciate your warmest hospitality shown to the Chinese ambassador and the
Wanchumare kwira na asense mwende asegika ke miaka ebire bono kubatkana amono buraro bo ensemelia ye bunge bobasi county ya Kisii na mano botaranya kabakorosi gwa ukabono igani gati amenyikuru asense meyo asentunda ne babiri bakumochia oburai bu mujumbe obasi moske Innocent Mwanyobiri abange ni go babiri batemna ni go obarubu buraba konye kwene kinga ochibare konyora obugwenya asensemelia ya nyamache kolende go kabone igani go bararubu tararo sigwa egento babiri batemna ni ke bunge yabo basegende takwira na magiga ke magendron na ni go baganetiem mujumbe obasi moske Innocent birwa soke mnenchiremo yo kwanera aliegende takoni kigwa kurwa asensemi
se nyamacha tuachande kire daracha enye gitari gere ngumbu waiga barwere batakeire ko enda barwarigu emoche rigere ngumbu abantu batakeire ko rusigu moche ono yenya gitari terinya nyamache teyo korwari abantu mbari korwariwa asengencho ye daracha moche riarengo esie kire kende nkeyo ge korusigu ororo bantu mbari konyara ko bori emebere koru toire emebere asanga to koira ntonye koira mubobere ngumbu asenye gitari yeito ono ego tuachandikira abantu banyamache tuachandikira babasi abagima
bono ingaso wabo yomba ime baka bantu bakorera kuruonga kinga abagokana kuruonga ki ngabiro mwana oyuta agenda ni taraja yangire etaje kare kwanga omwesimi obwangire ko respond wairu chibesa ndio igwegende tubuno mwana ominda kwanira
ncheka nare ko na nyantira ndole family na ikire nanyore yakore miake bere tanya koera nuko kwatera besa yanya ko barukete didaraje nande nalo tubate mbobata chibesa oroche gambia jete go itonde tingi to kwano ndebobe tindugo sona nibugambe bonde lakini setaraje priority muri kwegunu
abana baminto mwachande kire bakana igo mondo yagote abane chinya sore mokonyu una moroche bamura baminto bechi bikubinenya sore bakonyu daraje nje nanye bwati baka Nairobi gayo 20 million na igure chiche njiri na kigiagera na ligyo mwana yo mindo na mutengi ngo tumanya na gedaraje yere kibesa kiabege daraje je irubasi tibobasi cha ari so bobiri
tiri abuda amatuka yata tutokorwa gose tokore amanda mano kera ituko pake daraje yero osigwe
tigai aicha to tebi amatuka ya egutigacha akwane ngangi kero muchando
obiri ntomo bwati round yeyo barenga mona nje bagoteba obiri agendeka
enya kitari na nende sana manikani tekiras mocha ria bantu ngokubara ekar mu bwate mitano akimu wete kerega twete
Wanchimole tukwene na asense mwende litko ya lero boigo kubatkana amone gati ya abakenya bange kwe murungane kubatkana amono gusira kwa bantu babo kolende mbali guchia bamanya nabo konyora nibo yabo litko ya lero nigo ekiombekya Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority nigo nyaka ba kwane kinga babiro ba chake murobuli kwane kinga chingaki abanchua ba abantu bande babiro bagusira niko bakwane kinga batware kwane kinga babiro bakonyora none nibo yabo eye uchiabura achinjira tamanyire.
Okay. I start? Okay. So good afternoon everyone. My name is Caroline Chirchir, Acting CEO and Managing Trustee of Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority. Today we are in Kisii Stadium. What we are doing is what we call Unification Clinic. And first is to inform you that Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority is a government parastatal that is mandated to receive and safeguard and reunite all assets which have been unclaimed and have been remitted to our authority from various holders. So we are in the process of looking for the owners, the rightful owners, to claim those assets. And we have had this initiative. We are going to different counties as we try as much as possible to reach out to the members of the public so that they can come and check if they have any assets with us, and we shall be able to guide them to be able to claim those assets. So that's what we are doing here in Kisii this week from today until Friday. And we are welcoming all people who are around Kisii town and the environs to be able to come and check with us. Thank you very much. The portfolio that the authority has is way over 30 billion. There are about 36 billion so far, which has been remitted to the authority. And we have been looking for the owners. We have been able to reunite over about 2.35 billion so far, and we are continuing. The challenge that we've had of that seemingly is low reunification is being able to trace the owners. And that's why part of it is we're looking for various ways to be able to reach out to the communities and to the public to come and check and get these funds. We have so far been able to have also different stakeholders which we work together very closely in various sectors, in the banking sector, the SACCO sector, and even all listed companies where we are able to partner together so that we are able to reach out to the public.
Wanchumurete kwenuna asense mwende asetaro yumuraigwensi ya Kenya Muske Dr. William Samuruto asense mili kaunti ya Kisumu nenchira ya moyo uchikwane kinga egati ya basayengu chibare konyora emirimo asense meyo niko Muske Ruto haberga oteamuna niga serikali ebegete mirobli sene yugo chiago kinia ebirengo bebochenu obatkana amono botutukano bagenta kubatirania ansemili ya Social Health Authority egenta boiga berga oteamuna niga serikali ya egenta tukoligelia nabakwana kiengo chiru kinia ebirengo bi amasomo naboigo egatia magendro ase orogongo rwa Nyanza.
Hawa vijana wapate kazi. Tuhakikishe ya kwamba mambo ya afya sio starehe ya watu matajiri, lakini hata mwananchi wa kawaida aende hospitali atibiwe na serikali ilipie yeye gharama ya matibabu, ili afya isiwe starehe ya matajiri, iwe ni haki ya kila Mkenya. Watu wa Kisumu tunaelewana? Si tulikubaliana tuunde serikali ya Kenya moja ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote pale kwa broad based. Si Agwambo na mimi tulikubaliana. Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Kisumu, si mnajua siku moja nilisaidia Agwambo? Na si safari hii Agwambo amenisaidia. Nyinyi mnaona iko makosa hapo? Iko makosa? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Tuunganishe Kenya iwe moja, tuondoe ukabila, tuondoe chuki, tuondoe migawanyiko, na wale wote wafisadi na wakora waende wapi? Watu wa kabila waende wapi? Wale wa migawanyiko waende wapi? Wale wa chuki waende wapi? Mnasema waende nyumbani, sio? Sisi hatuna biashara na watu ambao wanaabudu ukabila na kuleta chuki na kuleta migawanyiko. Mimi nawahakikishia hii Kenya, kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, tutaunganisha hii Kenya iwe moja. Hakuna jamii tena itabaguliwa katika taifa letu la Kenya. Hakuna sehemu tena itabaguliwa katika taifa letu la Kenya, kwa sababu Kenya ni moja na sisi ni ndugu moja wa taifa moja, taifa la Kenya. Ama mnasemaje Kisumu? Tuendelee namna hiyo? Tuunganishe namna hiyo? Ati mnasemaje? Ati mnasema 10? Nyinyi ndio mnasema.
Raitu mwanchumule na liganti koneki kwa kurwasa nsemeli kaunti ya Kisumu asumura ibwensi ya Kenya Muske Dr. William Samuel Ruto anyakaba okori taro ya asensemeyo kolenda yone gati alinko ariganete asensemeli Ekeonga Chinsa biri na bogo Chinsa nyecho tkubarero tenkuru kwa Kevin Nkoba kurwasa nsemeli ya ye manyerilio ni gakuru kwa Wilson Makori.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Christamarian Mission Hospital ni hiyo korediringa ba mentire obokoriri bwaye na koba ubuye kigima.
Asa Marieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyaktari korwa se nyaktari ya basista ya Christamarian. Bono nyaktari ya Christamarian ngoro yero moroberio ribokori kyabantu ba sha. Ntori gwakania kwerikia. Sware linda lyonsi oratware na gotogo konya.
Buno mbabwate CT scan na bwigo mbabwate